fan.
I watch Saved by the Bell pretty much all the time. Be the Micro Machine guy. Yeah. Who also, interesting fact, was a substitute teacher on what television show?
Saved by the Bell.
Oh, he knows any question I'm asking. Is the same as Mr. Testaverde. I was not the person I wanted to be, I guess, growing up in high school. I think I probably didn't take things maybe as serious as I should have.
In high school, basketball was like my main thing. I loved it, so I was really practice after school up until like 10 o'clock at night. But I think I did well. I had a 4.0, so.
That's pretty good. But we both ended up at the same college,
Yeah.
so you can see where that led him.
They paid me to go to school there, though.